First, there's container gardening. This method is a lifesaver for those who have a small area to work with. By using pots, tubs, and half barrels, you can grow anything from vibrant flowers to nutritious vegetables. Then, there's the enchanting world of fairy gardens. Imagine creating a miniature landscape filled with tiny plants, small houses, and figures. It's a magical way to garden. Ever heard of a pizza garden? Why not cultivate ingredients commonly used on pizzas, such as tomatoes, peppers, onions, and herbs? It's a delightful project, particularly for youngsters. Butterfly or bee gardens are also a joy to create. Plant flowers and shrubs that attract butterflies and bees. It's not just enjoyable, it's a small step towards helping our environment. If space is a concern, vertical gardening is the solution. Utilize trellises, wall planters, and hanging baskets to grow plants upwards. It's space-efficient and visually stunning. Water gardening is another interesting concept. Create a small water feature with aquatic plants and perhaps some fish. It's a serene and captivating project. Next, we have sensory gardens. Design a garden with plants that stimulate your senses, from aromatic herbs and textured foliage to brightly colored flowers and plants that rustle in the wind. Ever thought about edible landscaping? Incorporate edible plants into your ornamental garden. Imagine using berry bushes as hedging or planting a dwarf fruit tree in a flower bed. Then there's bonsai gardening. The art of cultivating miniature trees can be a deeply satisfying and meditative process. Herb gardening is another wonderful concept. Grow a variety of herbs for culinary, medicinal, or aromatic purposes. This can even be done indoors if you're short on space. Ever considered creating theme gardens? You could create a garden based on a specific theme, such as a color, a historical period, or a literary concept. Children's gardens are a fantastic idea. Design a garden space that encourages play and learning, with plants that are safe and interesting for children. Wildlife-friendly gardens focus on native plants that provide food and habitat for local wildlife. Succulent and cacti gardens are particularly intriguing. These hardy plants come in a variety of shapes and sizes, suitable for dry climates or indoor gardening. Meditation gardens are tranquil spaces designed for relaxation and reflection, often including elements like smooth stones, water features, and benches. Recycled gardens make use of recycled materials to create planters, decorations, or even garden furniture. Gardening for stress relief focuses on the therapeutic aspects of gardening, choosing calming activities and plants. Seasonal gardening involves planning your garden to have blooms and interest throughout the different seasons. Moon gardens are composed of plants that bloom at night or have white and silvery foliage to be enjoyed by the light of the moon. Last but not least is companion planting. Learn about which plants grow well together for mutual benefits, such as pest control or pollination. Each topic presents its own unique set of challenges and rewards, and can be adapted to personal interests and the available space. Gardening can be an incredibly rewarding hobby, providing not just the thrill of planning and planting, but also the joy of watching your garden grow and flourish over time.